Your traffic is absolutely worthless if it doesn't convert. I've created over 450 different landing pages, but unfortunately, most people are so obsessed with their ads and their traffic, they just throw together their landing page as an afterthought. But realistically, it's everything that happens post-click that actually gets you the conversion and the money. So today, team, I'm going to be giving you 4 proven tips to help you to create a high converting landing page, and you can take these, swipe and deploy them on your own landing pages today. So let's get into it. Number 1 is your golden hippo offer. Your landing page is a digital salesperson trying to motivate and persuade somebody to take action. Having a really weak offer and call to action like get a call, speak with sales, free quote, just won't really cut it anymore. It doesn't have any of that cut through. And honestly, these sorts of offers only serve you as a business. They do not serve the prospect or the target market. When you create your offer, you really need to answer what's in it for me. You need to build an irresistible offer, what we call a golden hippo offer, and our formula is up on the screen now. So you have the dream outcome, you give them something tangible, and then all you do is flip their problems into solutions or bullet points, right? Because you're trying to enter the conversation that they're having in their mind. So here's how it looks in practice. You can see here for one of our clients, Raffle, and Raffle is spelled like that because that is their business name. You can see us giving the dream outcome, showing the tangible thing that they get for the offer, stacking that value. Each bullet eliminates an objection, a pain, or shows them how we're going to get them closer to a gain point. Number 2 is mind control copy. This is the number 1 language that marketers need to learn in 2023, and that is the language of their buyers. So does your web copy speak in the language of your target market? Does it show that you resonate with their problems and that you can help them to articulate and get into the dream outcome that they desire? Or are you just feature spewing at them, doing the me marketing, just talking about your business? When we're creating this mind control copy, right? Marketing's just inputs and outputs, garbage in, garbage out. So your target market avatar needs to be really, really clear. And once you have that, you can craft a sales message that is actually going to resonate with somebody. We do this in a style called brand response copy. Now, you might be familiar with direct response copy, which some people find a little bit too much, too salesy. My answer to that is, well, you want to make sales and it needs to persuade and motivate them, but direct response can be pretty hardcore. Then there's your branding copy, which might be like wishy-washy content, doesn't really persuade or motivate anybody to take action. So we combine the two where you have your authentic brand tonality, right? Like you're not a cringy, but wait, there's more, get some steak knives kind of vibe, but you're not writing copy that basically says nothing and is just a bunch of big, airy words that doesn't really make any sense to anybody. So here's an example on screen of some brand response copy that we did for Linktree. Linktree is a big billion-dollar tech company, right? So they can't afford to have copy that goes out there and is cringy or too hardcore sales. However, they also cannot afford just to have a landing page out there that is just random content all thrown together that doesn't persuade the user or the reader to take up their offer. They can't afford either. So what's the middle ground? It is that brand response copy. Okay, and number 3 to create a high converting landing page is your sniper messaging. If you're unsure whether or not your messaging sucks, go and ask 5 people right now in your company, what do we do and who do we do it for? And I bet you'll get 5 different answers. Well, I bet this means that your customers and your market are not super clear about what you do and what's in it for them and the value that you provide for them. Because if sales, customer support, the CEO, the people packing in the warehouse, whatever it is, if they are all on different pages about what you do, then that means all of the communications going out there are also going to be talking about different things that are not congruent. AKA, people don't understand whether you can actually help them. And AKA, you're actually causing friction to buy from you. And yes, this is bad. And this means that your landing page isn't going to enter the conversation happening in their brain. And also it's not going to cut through the noise of your competitors. So a lot of my clients get really frustrated because they know they're the best in the industry. They know that they do something different. They know that they do something better, whatever it is. But what they actually do, it is not articulated in their marketing and communicated to the target market. So if you removed a logo from all of their landing pages or websites, them and all of their competitors just look the same. So this sniper messaging helps you to stand out. And this is the formula that we use. What we do, who we do it for, the problem it solves, and the result it gets. Now, I'm not saying that you write this and you go slap it everywhere, right? What happens is every time somebody's making a piece of communication, it's all going to stem from this, and the key points to hit are always going to be congruent. So here's our example for PX. Persuasion Experience specializes in the post-click journey for B2B services and tech SaaS companies who need to generate high-quality leads. They've helped a range of companies from freshly funded startups to billion-dollar brands like Linktree and Wayflyer. After building 450 plus funnels and landing pages, blah, 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 you can pause this and read the rest, but that's an example of what we do. Okay, and number 4, this is the 4th pillar of conversions, and that is social proof with intent. You can't just claim you're the best like every person ever in every industry and then not prove it. You've got to give those receipts. You've got to use the power of demonstration. The goal here is that you're leveraging irrefutable third-party proof that shows and proves that you can deliver on the result that you claim to. But it's not enough just to slap a testimonial slider on your page and have these big slabs of copy and expect somebody to want to read them. They don't want to read them. That's boring and annoying, and it's probably hidden at the bottom of your page if you even have a slider at all. So here's a quick example of how we use social proof with intent for a client called Navexa. So this is people then naturally have this question like, is this for me? So what we do is we figure out the comment archetypes or objections, then we match them with testimonials that we have and use them as a sales tool on the page to obliterate objections or overcome any questions. Alrighty team, so that is it. To recap, the 4 proven tips for a high converting landing page. It is 1, your golden hippo offer. So what are you actually giving them and to persuade them to take action, and how are you making it irresistible? 2, it's the brand response copy. Are you explaining their problem and their dream outcome in their language, in their words? Number 3 is the messaging. Are you clear in everything that you do, who you service, and how you help them? And number 4 is that social proof with intent. Don't just make big claims, prove them, and prove them specifically to overcome objections and concerns in the mind of the user. Alrighty team, that is the end of today's video. Thank you for joining me for another training session. Let me know in the comments what was your number 1 takeaway, or if you have any additional tips to help create a high converting landing page. Okay, and as the kids say, please, if you've enjoyed this video, you've got value out of it, make sure that you like, share, subscribe, do whatever with this video to help get the word out and to help more businesses make more of an impact and take their marketing to the next level. Until next time team, it's been awesome having you. I'll see you on the next video.